Okay guys, it is time to clean out the rabbit hutches. It's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. So let's get after it. I got them all clean. Now it's time to rotate some rabbits. So we're gonna move Pearl with her 3-week-old babies. We're gonna move them into what we call the maternity ward. It's a double. And then we're gonna move some grow outs that are in there also. We're gonna move them out here, I believe, with these guys, I think. You're okay. Stop. 2 more. Here's Mama and the babies. Mama and the babies. Okay, so I'm just doing some switching around. So I've got Pearl and her 9 babies moved out here. I'm gonna get Hutch cleaned out, and then we're gonna move Coco over there. Then we can open up this door for them. Okay, we got all the rabbit hutches, all 3 of them, all cleaned out. Everybody's got straw. Everybody's got a clean hutch. They all got pellets. We've got all the grow outs moved out here. These are the oldest grow outs. They're actually ready to be processed. And then these, I think, these are the next grow outs. And then these little ones, and those are growing out. So we've got 3 sets of grow outs. And then I'll take you in. Okay, So here's Pearl and her babies are over here in the maternity ward. It's got this double compartment. This door swings out. Oh, my goodness. My goodness. Sorry, baby. Sorry. You touched the ground. My goodness, one fell out. Anyway, that's we call it the maternity ward. It's a double. It's got a swing door inside. It gives them more room. Once they start eating on their own, about 3 or 4 weeks old, we pull them out of their, we move the nesting box and give them more space. Here's Coco in her new clean digs. She's got her nesting box. Today is day 27, so she will be having babies soon. Got Tulip next door to her in the maternity ward. I mean, in her new digs, because she will be having babies at the same time Coco does. Coco may have hers a day earlier than Tulip. Tulip, all of her does have delivered on day 32 except for Coco. Coco went on day 31. But anyway, they're both due the same day or a day apart or something. But anyway, Tulip is in her new little house. Little clean house. She's got straw and pellets. They all have straw and pellets. And this is Lily. Lily had babies on Easter Sunday. Let's see. I'm just going to pull one out. We're not going to count them right now. I don't want them to disturb them too much. But looky there. Looky there. So sweet. They were born yesterday on Easter. We'll just cover them back up. We'll come out in a couple days and count them. We're just going to leave them be for now. She's a pretty good mama, so she's not going to let anything happen to them. So anyway, mama with newborns and 2 pregnant does. So my GoPro had died earlier while I was almost done with the inside garage hutch. So come back out to get just a final shot of the rabbits, and got them all moved. Got a little bit of war wounds here. Got scratched up pretty good by a few of them. Anyway, they don't like to be handled. So anyway, that's gonna wrap up the rabbit hutch cleaning video. I just wanted to bring you guys along for the cleaning of the rabbit hutch, just so you can know that it's not all rainbows and butterflies around here. There's yucky work that gets done too. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button. It's free. Hit that notification bell. That's free. And follow along with us so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.